Want to use gestures on your Apple Watch? By using this, you can control your watch with simple hand movements without touching the screen. In this video tutorial, I'll show you how to use gestures on your Apple Watch. So no more wasting any time, let's get started. Method 1. Use double tap. Open the Settings app. After that, tap Gestures. Here you will see the double tap feature. Double tap used for answer a call, reply to a message, see your smart stack, and more. Now toggle on the double tap. Before doing this, make sure to disable accessibility mode if it asks. Here, you can customize what double tap does for playback and smart stack. The action for answering calls is generally fixed, so now make a call and tap your index finger and thumb together twice to answer a call. Method 2. Use cover to mute. The cover to mute feature on your Apple Watch is used for quickly silencing alerts and notifications, including incoming calls. When you enable the cover to mute feature and then receive an alert, you can mute Apple Watch by resting your palm on the display to cover it for at least 3 seconds. You will feel a tap to confirm that mute is enabled. And that's it. This is how you can use the gestures on Apple Watch. Hope you found this video useful. Don't forget to hit the like button. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching and see you in another video. Till then, stay tuned.